Hi, my name is Philip. We at Välinge launched our 5G Cross last year, where we have this component in order to make your trace and pattern stays in line. We have further developed and improved the product since then, and it's now fully brand compatible as well. Recently, we also launched our new 5G Cross for Chevron, where we, with this component that is both suitable between the A and B panels by simply just turn it around, we then can ensure that your chevron pattern stays in line as well, with no panel shifting. And of course, we utilize our 5G fold-down technology, where you simply click it together. If you'd like to know more, please contact us or visit us at välinge.se. Thank you.